Hello everyone! Welcome to Sports All In. Coach Bujing Akot po ang inyong kasama. Yes! Since season 73. Ngayon po magsasama ang UST Men's and Women's Volleyball Team sa season 86 ng ating UAAP Volleyball Finals. First time din po nangyari. Ang 4th seeded team umabot po sa finals after setting the Final Four last 2004. So yan nga po, no? Congratulations to the women's volleyball team, UST Growling Tigresses, Coach Kung Fu, and Coach Yanni Fernandez. And para naman sa ating men's UST Spikers, Coach Oji Mamon, congratulations! Grabe! Ang tanong na lang natin, matutuloy ba ang Cinderella finish ng UST Men's and Women's Volleyball Team? Madadala ba talaga natin ang corona sa Espanya, Manila? So abangan natin at suportahan natin ang UST. Go Uste! Go Uste! Winner!